Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called meta robot tag. Now meta robots is a page specific tag that you have to include it in your opening and closing head tag. Just before your closing head tag you can put it into your source HTML code, or if you are using WordPress then we can use the Eos SEO plugin to include this kind of meta robot tag. A meta robot tag is an alternative of robots.txt file. Robots.txt file is for the whole website, that is a site-wide text file, instruction file. But for meta robot tag, this is page specific. For every page, you have to put the meta robot tag. Now, if we take an example here, what is the different sections in meta robot tag? We can see this type of we can write. So this is the tag. We can put index follow in capital letter as well. We can put index no follow, no index follow, or no index no follow, this kind of combinations. Now what is called index? That means I am instructing Google and other search engines to crawl my page and to take it to their search index and display it in search engine result page. And what is no index? That means we are telling search engines that do not index this page. That means do not show this page in any kind of search result page in search rank. Now what is called follow? That follow means if the page is having some internal or external link to other pages, so you are instructing the search engine crawler that you should also jump to those pages, you should follow those pages. So that is simply follow. And what is no follow? You want to tell the crawler that stop on this page, do not follow any other pages linked from this page. So you can check here, the spider will now only look at this page and stops there. So this is called index and no follow. So whenever you are writing meta name robot content index and no follow, that means the spider will now look at this page and stops there. So it would index that particular page, but it would stop there. It would not go to other pages by taking the links. Now if you write no index follow, that means the spider will not look at this page, but it will crawl through the rest of the pages on your website. So if we want to no index any page, we normally provide this meta robot tag, that meta robot no index follow. No index no follow means the spider will not look at this page and will not crawl through the rest of your pages. So you are totally stopping the crawler on that particular page. So that is called no index no follow. So normally we put no index follow, we keep the links follow so that we should not stop the crawler, they should crawl the other pages. So follow is good in that perspective. Now there are certain other parts, like we call it no ODP, that is no open directory project, no Y directory, or no archive. So if we go to WordPress and if we go to any of the pages and if we have installed Eos SEO plugin, then we can see the advanced options here for any of the pages. Let's take example of this page. So if we see at the bottom of the page, so we can see the Eos settings. So this is the page, we go at the bottom of the page, you see this is the Eos setting and you see this cog, you click on this cog. Now you see meta robots index, you can put it index or no index, you can put it as follow or no follow. Then this is the advanced part where we can put it no ODP, that means no open directory project. Now what is open directory project? Sometimes before Google there was this human edited directory that is called demos.org, where different kind of businesses according to their category they have been placed and manually reviewed by a moderator. So that is called human edited directory. Now to respect this oldest directory, sometimes Google might show your title tag whatever it is written in demos rather than whatever it is written on your website. So take an example. Suppose in 15 years back in Demos, Seven Modes has been written as CD selling company, and now they are doing digital marketing. So if as of date today somebody is searching with the name of Seven Modes, and if they see it is a CD selling company, so they might not be interested. So we need to put meta robot tag in no DP, so that Google should not take the title tag displayed in Demos, rather than they should take the title tag displayed in our own website's title tag. So that is called no DP. The same true for Yahoo directory. So we write it no Y directory. And another one is called no archive. That means we don't want to keep a backup copy of this to any publicly available web archive like archive.is or archive.org. So you can see the archive.is here. You can check with the old version of 7words.com page. So you can see the different versions of 7words pages, like in 2013, in 2014, in 2015. So in past how your website was looking, so you can get it from archive. Now if you want to discard it, then you can apply this no ODP. You can multiple select it, no ODP, no wide directory, no archive, and you don't have to go to with no snippets. This is not good. So in that way we can put it and we can update this. So this is called meta robot tag. Thank you.